bunch of dudes in Walmart bags. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to make coffee. And today's video is sponsored by Nord. Did you just really try and skip? Did you? Today's video is sponsored by Nord subscribe button. It's a great service where you get to, subscribe to your greatest 200. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make coffee. You're going to need a coffee cup. Without a coffee maker, by the way. That's the cool thing. A working sink. Make sure it's working. A vacuum, just in case. I don't know what this is called, but like this, I guess. Like this right here. So yeah, need this, and need this. And you might be noticing, why aren't you wearing your mask? Because I cannot find it. I'm not showing you my bed head. Oh yeah, and I had a bad night's sleep. So first, you turn your sink on to really hard, but not super. We don't want to hold it on there too long, but slowly. It's gonna be pool temperature. It's pool temperature, that's way too cold. I like cold coffee. I think I found the perfect place where a drink can be actually served a hot tub. Dang it! In the hot tub. Hey, you want to be in the hot tub? That's how cold I should be. It's hard to kind of find it for me. If you know yours, just do that. This is way too hot. Why does this get hotter? Sorry, 200 dudes, for wasting your time, but I'm sensitive about my coffee. Alright, so this should be good. So for after that, remember, do not take any of my advice seriously. It's probably not going to work out well, and I've never made coffee in my life, except this time, and I really did it bad. Just don't look at my fridge and the failures of my fridge. I don't know why my house is so messy today. But you can see the past coffees I tried to make for the last video. So I made a little oopsies. Where is it? I need some more water. So after you get some water, a little more, then you get this. I don't like black coffee. Black coffee makes me feel like I'm on drugs because I have ADHD. Shouldn't you calm me down then, Lockman? Oddly, no. Nope. Caffeine is the same to me. So just do just a little bit like that. You see that? Just a little bit. Hope. So after that, you get, this is not sponsored, but by just this scoop thing, because I don't know how to use a coffee maker. And that is really annoying. So after that, from 200 dudes cooking, you get a spoon. Just do not mind how messy my house is. So, just get this in. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. And then you put this in. So after that, you close this. Make sure you do not want to spill your coffee. Remember, this video is only sponsored by Nord subscribe button. So yeah, link in my channel. It's like this big red button, and if you already have subscribed to Nord subscribe button, it's gonna be great. Usually, matters what mode you're on. I don't know. I'm sorry for yelling at you, my fansies. Oh yeah, did I mention that you use brown sugar? So use the same spoon that you use for the stir and steal. Get about this much. I don't know why I put it so far away. But it looks like little brown gold. Yeah. I did not have a good night's sleep, and I was listening to lo-fi hip-hop music at like 2 o'clock. And so I'm bored, same, drinking coffee. I'm like, oh, coffee sounds good. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's 2 a.m. So I'm doing it at 8:02. Why was I up so late? 'Cause I'm not feeling well. So I just really hope this coffee wakes me up and makes me feel better. And why I'm using this high-pitched voice is because my voice sounds like this right now. Kind of sounds like chords. And this is what color your coffee should be, but I don't know why my phone is on such a high brightness. But this actually looks good. I'm not kidding. I think I did it my 200 dudes. And let me just move this really fast. So this is not sponsored by Big Denver Zoo. I mean, it's pretty big, but it's not sponsored by it. Let me turn down this brightness. So this is how your coffee should look. See that? You see, this is how it looks for me. So it's no lights. Let me open the shades. Do not mind how messy our house is. Oh my God, I just got flash burned. But this is really how your coffee should look. I really like this mug. It's a coffee mug. My dog really needs to go out, so we're gonna make this. So let me just put this down. Yay! So let me try this. Oh my God! Actually, this is pretty good. It's a little watery, but I just think I need coffee beans. See you at 200 days. If you subscribe, thank you so much. It just means so much to me. And really, thank you. I mean, it's not a lot, but 31 subscribers, I think that's pretty good. I think we made it pretty far for our pretty crappy content. And we've gone a long way. My 200 things. See ya.